chaotic montage kicks off with rapid-fire one-liners and timeless pratfalls, stitching viral clips into a single storm. Instant meme jokes pop up like flashcards as a goofy announcer challenges viewers to resist cracking a smile. Mid-clip callbacks tease the punchlines, turning every setup into a wink worthy of a viral duet challenge. When the laugh meter spikes, a friendly host squeaks out a new pun and the room erupts with applause. Viewers are urged to duet, stitch, and submit their own jokes, sealing the mashup as the ultimate laugh relay.